This is for TOHacks 2021. I personally love food. It's a way for me to discover new things that I can accomplish with the ingredients that I own. But for many people, their lives are way too busy to use all their ingredients before they go to waste. And go to waste they do, with the average consumer wasting around 2 kilograms per week of food. And this all adds up to 35.5 billion kilograms of food waste every year in Canada alone, which results in 56.5 million tons of carbon dioxide every year. And this is a big problem. Joe's Kitchen is our solution to this problem. And it's also a way to reinvigorate people's passion for food. It's an easy to use app that allows you to find recipes for the food that you have in your fridge right now. Not only are you saving the environment through reducing your food waste, but it's never been easier or faster to find recipes for your next meal. Using your camera, our mobile app sends its information to Google's Vision API, allowing us to identify your ingredients. With your ingredients in mind, we then use Spoonacular's API to find recipes that work for you. Our project uses React Native, along with Expo.io for the front-end framework and for camera interaction. This framework allows us to have everything operating on the front end, which eased up our workflow and made the development process more streamlined. All requests to APIs were made through Axios, and fuzzy text matching was done with a vocabulary of English food ingredients and items using the fuzzy set module. And now we have a product demo. Here, Alex is going to demonstrate to us the functionality of our app. Users here can take as many or as little images as they like of their ingredients. These images are then uploaded to the Cloud Vision API, and the object localization algorithm detects all the objects in the image, returning labels and bounding boxes. Right now, we're waiting for Google's API to respond, and can continue when the next button appears on the top right corner. The user can now remove or add ingredients on the review page. Processing the reviewed labels through fuzzy text matching using fuzzy set, we can then send the list of processed labels to Spoonacular's API. From there, we obtain a list of recipes and the number of matching ingredients they use. This information is presented as a list of recipe cards. The user may then navigate to the recipe link of their liking. And now, it's time to get cooking. Some next steps for Joe's Kitchen are to fine-tune the models used to identify food items and polish the user interface. As powerful as Google's Cloud Vision API is, it doesn't have the level of precision we'd like for a potential final product. We hope to use Google's AutoML system along with our own training data to create a more focused model that would be able to identify various foods quickly and accurately. Thank you for your time, and I hope you see the potential of our solution to tackle the problem of food waste emissions through our application of powerful frameworks and APIs.